everybody, my name is Josh and I'm going to show you how to build your own dance partner for these quarantine times. I was inspired by Ry'el of Zenzouk. He had us dancing with the pillow first and also with the dowel to show lines as well as movement and reactivity. So basically all you need to build your dance partner is 2 pillowcases, 1 pillow, a scarf, and a dowel, a broomstick, whatever you have available. Yeah, so the first step is after you dance with your pillow for a bit by itself, you'll figure out the line that you like for reactivity of the up versus the lower side. I found that for this pillow, 1/3 is probably the best line. And the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take the open end and put it into the open end of the other pillowcase. And you're gonna pull it up a little further than your line so that when you do tie it, it stays put. So that's gonna be the skirt or dress or whatever. And then you're gonna take your scarf, fold it into a triangle like that, and then give it a few twirls. And then find the center point, put it under where you're gonna tie. Then you take your dowel, put it across, I said 1/3, so right about there. Then you take the scarf up, upside, this one on the lower side. And you're not gonna do a knot up here, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna cinch it to form somewhat of a waist. And I know it looks like it's gonna go diagonal, but it's gonna work out. So you cinch it, and then you twist it over itself, and then using your forearm, you put that down so that it stays while you grab it again. And what you're gonna be doing is you're taking the scarf up, around, and back to where it came from, on the opposite side of the dowel that it's on right there. You see that? It goes like this. Okay, so you do that, and you keep it tight, and that evens out the dowel across your pillow. Then on the other side, you tie a double knot, but make sure you can untie it. And the reason you tie a double knot is so that it doesn't come loose when you're dancing about. Okay, double knot. And I found the way that I best like it is to hold the dowel on the back side, because it kind of acts like the back of your partner. And I'm going to do a little demo. So, hold it as you would your partner, or as close to a partner as you would. And as you start dancing, you can see that the skirt starts to flow. And then also the upper body starts to flow as you start moving. And then I'll give you a side profile. So from here, you can see that it's reactive, just like someone else's body would be. So when you do move like that, you get a reaction. So you can actually tell when you're dancing what's going on. And also you can follow your axis way out here as you start to get your body movement going. So you can find where you're not the same. Say I'm heavy on my right, light on my left, fully throws it off. But you can find balance by watching in your periphery how big those circles are. So that's how to make a quarantine dance partner. Hope you liked the video. Please share it and have fun. Thank you.